हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू कनिकाज मैथ्स क्लासेस। आज की इस वीडियो में हम क्लास 11th के एक्सरसाइज 2.6 के कुछ क्वेश्चन डिस्कस कर रहे हैं। 1 to 10 क्वेश्चन हम कर चुके थे। नाउ इट्स टाइम टू डू क्वेश्चन नंबर 11। सो लेट अस स्टार्ट विद द क्वेश्चन नंबर 11। cos ऑफ 3 पाई बाय 4 प्लस एक्स माइनस कॉस ऑफ 3 पाई बाय 4 माइनस एक्स, इसको आपको प्रूव करना है माइनस रूट ऑफ साइन एक्स के इक्वल। ठीक है, तो स्टार्ट विद द लेफ्ट साइड। cos of 3 pi by 4 plus x minus cos of 3 pi by 4 minus x। ठीक है, यहाँ पर आप cos of a plus b का फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करें, यहाँ cos of a minus b का फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करें, देन वी विल सिंप्लीफाई इट। cos of a plus b इज cos a cos b minus sin a इंटू sin b। ठीक है, ये आपका फर्स्ट अप्लाई हो गया फॉर्मूला। माइनस cos ऑफ a माइनस b का फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करें, cos a cos b प्लस sin a sin b। क्लियर है आपको? आगे देखिए, cos ऑफ 3 पाई बाय 4 इंटू cos x माइनस sin ऑफ 3 पाई बाय 4 इंटू sin x। ब्रैकेट के बाद माइनस है, ब्रैकेट हटाएं, माइनस अप्लाई करें, वी गेट cos ऑफ 3 पाई बाय 4 इंटू cos x माइनस साइन ऑफ 3 पाई बाय 4 इंटू साइन एक्स। ठीक है, ये टर्म दोनों सेम है बट ऑफ अपोजिट साइन, सो दे विल बी कैंसल आउट। वी गेट माइनस 2 साइन 3 पाई बाय 4 इंटू साइन एक्स। क्लियर? अब 3 पाई बाय 4 को इवेल्युएट कर लेते हैं। साइन 3 पाई बाय 4 इज व्हाट? 3 पाई बाय 4 कैन बी रिटन इट एज पाई माइनस पाई अपॉन 4 इंटू साइन एक्स। क्लियर? minus 2 sine of pi minus theta. We discussed all the formula of trigonometry, so by applying that formula, this angle lies in second and second sine is positive, and due to pi sine will be sine, so we get sine of pi by 4 into sine x. Minus 2, value of sine pi by 4 is 1 over root 2 into sine x. Solving it, we get minus root 2 sine x. This was right hand side and question number 11 is completed here. ये प्रूव करना था हमको कि cos of 3 pi by 4 plus x minus cos of 3 pi by 4 minus x is equals to minus root 2 sin x। तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 11 कंप्लीट हो गया। क्वेश्चन नंबर 12 देखते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 12 है आपका साइन स्क्वायर 6x माइनस साइन स्क्वायर 4x that is equal to sin 2x into sin 10x. If you remember the identity which we used in the 9th class, a square minus b square, so we'll apply that identity in the left side and we'll get the term as in the RHS. So let us start its solution with the left hand side. In the left side we have sin square 6x minus sin square 4x. So applying that identity, we get sin of 6x plus 4x into sin of 6x minus 4x. After solving, we get sin 10x into sin 2x. So that is our RHS. So question number 12 is completed here. Now we start question number 13. Question number 13 is cos square 2x minus cos square 6s that is equal to sin of 4x into sin 8x. इस टर्म को, इस एक्सप्रेशन को आपको RHS के इक्वल शो करना है। So start with the LHS. In the LHS we have cos square 2x minus cos square 6x. We can write cos square as 1 minus sin square 2x. You remember that first identity of trigonometry which we read in the 10th class, that cos square x plus sin square x is equals to 1. So we are using that one minus cos square 6x can be written as 1 minus sin square 6x. Clear? So 1 minus sin square 2x minus 1 plus sin square 6x. 1 will be cancelled out as it is positive and it is negative. We get sin square 6x minus sin square 2x. This question is like as question number 12, sin square 6x minus sin square 4x. So applying the same formula which you used in the question number 12, sine of 6x plus 2x into sine of 6x minus 2x. We can write the formula in the bracket as we are using sine square a minus sine square b, that is equal to sine of a plus b into sine of a minus b. This is the only formula which we use in the question number 12 as well as in question number 13. So we get sine of 10x into sine of 8x. 6 plus 2 8 and 6 minus 2 is 4x. You can check these are RHS sine 4x into sine 8x. So question number 13 is also done here. Now question number 14. In the question number 14 we have to prove sine 2x plus 2 sine 4x plus sine 6x is equal to 4 cos square x into sine 4x. So let us start with the LHS and we'll prove it equals to the RHS. In LHS we have sine 2x plus 2 sine 4x plus sine 6x, that is equal to, we can write sine 2x plus sine 6x plus 2 sine 4x. We are applying here the associative law. Clear? So sine 2x plus sine 6x, we are applying here the formula of sine c plus sine d. We get 2 sine c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. Clear? Plus 2 sine 4x, ये टर्म आपकी एज इट इज हो गई. क्लियर? सो वी गेट 2 साइन 2 plus 6 8 by 2 4x into sine into cos 2 minus 6 minus 4 by 2 minus 2 cos of minus 2x plus 2 sine 4x. Clear? Taking common 2 sine 4x, we get cos of minus 2x plus 1. As we know that the minus angle lies in the fourth quadrant and in the fourth quadrant cos is positive. So we get 2 sine 4x into cos 2x plus 1. If you remember the formula of the double angle, we can get 1 plus cos 2x as 2 cos square x, means half of this angle. So we have here 2x, so in the conversion we get x. So 2 into 2 4, we get 4 cos square x into sine 4x. You can check this is a RHS. So in this way question number 14 is completed. Now question number 15. In the question number 15, we have to prove the cot 4x into sin 5x plus sin 3x is equals to cot x into sin 5x minus cos 3x. As you can see that we have to solve both sides as LHS and RHS. Only then we can prove them equal. So start with the LHS. In the LHS we have cot 4x into sin 5x plus sin 3x. Okay, so we'll apply the formula sin c plus sin d. So we get cot 4x sin c plus sin d is 2 sin c plus d by 2, 5 plus 3 by 2 into cos c minus d by 2, 5x minus 3x by 2. So cot 4x into 2 sin 5 plus 3 8 by 2, that is sin 4x into cos 5 minus 3 2 by 2 1. Now we can write the cot 4x is cos 4x upon sin 4x into, we have 2 sin 4x into cos x. So sin 4x cancel out, we get 2 cos 4x into cos x. This was the simplification of left hand side. Now we will do the simplification of RHS. Cot x into sin 5x minus cos 3x No, we have sine 3x. Only then we can apply the formula. Here it is also sine 3x. Clear? So start with the right cot x, applying the formula sin c minus sin d, that is 2 cos 5x plus 3x by 2 into sine c minus d, means 5x minus 3x by 2. So we can write the cot x as cos x by sin x, and here we have 2 cos 5 plus 3, 8, that is 8 by 2, that is 4x, into sine 5x minus 3x, that is 2x, 2x by 2, that is x. You can see sin x will be cancelled out. We have 2 cos x into cos 4x. You can see that the simplification of both sides, now they are equal. So LHS equals to RHS. This is the question number 15. So we start the question number 16 here. We have cos 9x minus cos 5x upon sin 17x minus sin 3x. We have to prove this expression is equals to minus sin 2x upon cos 10x. So let us start with the left hand side of this question. We'll prove this left side after simplification is equals to RHS. We have cos 9x minus cos 5x upon sin 17x minus sin 3x. We'll apply cos c minus cos d on the numerator part and sin c minus sin d in the denominator part. So we have cos c minus cos d, sin 2 sin c plus d by 2, 9x plus 5x by 2 into sin d minus c by 2, 5x minus 9x upon 2, upon means in the denominator we have sin c minus sin d, so we'll apply the formula of sin c minus sin d, 2 cos 17x plus 3x by 2 into sin c minus d by 2, means 17x minus 3x upon 2. So after solving in the numerator part we get 2 sin 9 plus 5, that is 14, 14 by 2, that is 7x, into sin 5 minus 9, 9 minus 4 by 2, that is minus 2x, upon 2 cos 17 plus 3, 20, 20 by 2, that is 10x, into sin 17 minus 3, that is 14, 14 by 2, that is 7x. So 2 by 2 cancel, sin 7x cancel. We have sin of minus 2x upon cos 10x, and sin of minus theta is minus sin theta. We know this formula. So we get minus sin 2x upon cos 10x. That is our RHS. So our question number 16 is completed here. In question number 17, we have sin 5x plus sin 3x upon cos 5x plus cos 3x. We have to prove this expression is equals to 10 for x. So start with the LHS. Sin 5x plus sin 3x upon cos 5x plus cos 3x. So in the numerator part we'll apply the formula of sin c plus sin d, and in the denominator part we'll apply the formula cos c plus cos d. So we have 2 sin c plus d by 2, 5x plus 3x by 2 into cos c minus d by 2, 5x minus 3x upon 2, upon the whole denominator cos c plus cos d, 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2, that is 5x minus 3x by 2. So we have 2 sin 5 plus 3, 8 by 2, that is 4x, 5 minus 3, that is 2, 2 by 2, that is 1x, upon 2 cos 5 plus 3, that is 8 by 2, means 4x, cos 5 minus 3, that is 2, 2 by 2, that is cos x. Cos x will be cancel out. 2 cancel out. Sine by cos, we have sine 4x by cos 4x, that is tan 4x. You can see this is our RHS. So question number 17 is completed here. Now question number 18. We have sin x minus sin y upon cos x plus cos y. We have to prove this expression is equals to tan of x minus y. So let us start with the LHS. Left hand side we have sin x minus sin y upon cos x plus cos y. So in the numerator part we have sin c minus sin d form, and in the denominator part we have cos c plus cos d form. So start with the numerator part. Sin c minus sin d is 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2 upon, in the denominator cos c plus cos d, that is equal to 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. क्या 2 से 2 कैंसिल हो जाएगा, तो cos x by 2 cos x by 2 x plus y by 2 cancel part. So we have sin x minus y upon 2 the whole upon cos of x minus y upon 2. So we have sin by cos, that is tan of x minus y upon 2. This is our RHS. So in this way we solve the question number 18. Now in the question number 19 we have sin x plus sin 3x upon cos x plus cos 3x. We have to prove this part equal to tan of 2x. So start with the LHS. We have sin x plus sin 3x upon cos x plus cos 3x. In the numerator part we have the same as in the question number 18, sin c plus sin d, and in the denominator we have cos c plus cos d. So apply the formula. Sin c plus sin d is 2 sin c plus d by 2, that is x plus 3x by 2 into cos c minus dx by 2, that is x minus 3x by 2, the whole upon, in the denominator we have cos x plus cos 3x. So applying the formula cos c plus cos d, we have 2 cos x plus 3x by 2 into cos x minus 3x by 2. So on simplifying we get 2 sin x plus 3x, that is 4x, 4 by 2, that is 2, x minus 3x minus 2x minus 2x by 2, that is minus x. So we have cos of minus x upon 2 cos x plus 3x, that is 4x, 4 by 2, that is 2, x minus 3x minus 2 minus 2 by 2 minus x. So we have cos of minus x. You can see cos of minus x cancel out, 2 cancel out. So we get sin 2x upon cos 2x, that is tan 2x. So this is the question number 19. Now question number 20. Now question number 20. In the question number 20 we have to prove sin x minus sin 3x the whole upon sin square x minus cos square x is equal to 2 sin x. So let us start with the LHS, and in the LHS we have sin x minus sin 3x upon sin square x minus cos square. First of all we'll take common negative sign from the numerator as well as from the denominator. We get sin 3x minus sin x upon minus cos square x minus sin square x. So negative sign will be cancel out. We have sin 3x minus sin x upon cos square x minus sin square x. Clear? Now in the numerator we can apply the formula sin c minus sin d. So we have 2 in the negative sign, so we have 2 cos 3x plus x by 2 into sin 3x minus x by 2 the whole upon cos square x minus sin square x. If you remember the formula, this is the formula of cos 2x. Clear? So in the numerator part we have 2 cos of 3 plus 1x by 2, that is for x by 2, that is 2x. 2 cos 2x. Sin 3x minus x, that is 2x. 2x by 2, that is x. 1 cos 2x. You can check cos 2x will be cancelled out and we get 2 sin x only in the numerator part. That is our RHS, you can see. So question number 20 is completed here.